Stand by for action.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to some more Tales from the Bike Shed. I'm having to film this on my GoPro because I left my Canon Digicamera at home, so I've got the power lead to the power pack in here, so I hope it comes out all right. Right, I've just been out for a ride with Mrs. Justin Collywood. Hi Justin, cracking time. Thank you very much for my first ride out, for holding my hand. But I'm going to play this at the beginning. So a few things to say. So when I first got the bike, tried to get the tick over going. Thought I had him sorted, but then it all went to rat shit. It wouldn't start again. It wouldn't tick over. When I was doing the adjustment screws, nothing was happening. So I thought the carb was a bit buggered. So I went on eBay, bought a replacement carb for 18 quid. Stuck him on, kicked him over, ticked over perfectly. Took him out for a ride, and it just would not go. It kept bogging down and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, that was on last weekend. When was it? Last weekend or the weekend before, when I was supposed to be going out for a ride with Justin, and the bike bloody died because of the carb issues, the new carb issues. So did a bit of fault finding with Justin's help. We noticed that fuel wasn't getting into the fuel filter. So Justin said, take the tank out, which I was a bit wary about because I didn't know how to do it. So he explained how you do it. Ouch. So it's just a case of the 4 bolts, undo those, disconnect the fuel gauge, electrics, and just lift him out. So I drained the tank, excuse the wire, I drained the tank, disconnected from the carb, drained the tank, lifted him out, and I noticed that there was a little kink on the fuel pipe coming from the main outfeed, and this is it here. Right, so as you can see, there's a tiny kink just where the fuel pipe meets the main fuel outfeed, but it was sufficient to cause a fuel leakage, a fuel shortage, and starvation. So on the back of the fuel pipe kink issue, a suggestion from Justin was to change the fuel pipe because the pipes which were on there were shite. So I got some 6mm braided hose pipe, a metre from Halfords, £3.50. Fitted that on, rerouted it in a much better way than it was before. Got the fuel filter at the back of where it was before. It's just much nicer. Kicked him over again. Carb still playing up. This is the new carb now. So Justin sent me a link to the carb he fitted to his C90. And it was 29 quid. The other one was 18 quid. 29 quid from Amazon. Fitted that, kicked him over, bingo, bango, perfect. Took him out for a ride the other day, absolutely superb. So this is the carb. Well, talking about this is the carb. So there's the original Honda C90 carb. I hope you can see this with the light. And this is the carb which I bought off eBay, 18 quid. Now, what I did notice when I had the carb from Amazon, it's the Woo Star, and this is it here. Right, so this is the Woo Star carb, which I got from Amazon, and absolutely superb. Just been out for a ride now, and it's absolutely fantastic. So that's the Woo Star carb, and what I did notice when I picked up the replacement eBay thing, there is no weight to that at all, whereas the Woo Star one and the original, there is some proper weight there. But there's nothing to it. I guess you get what you pay for. But no, the Woo Star is absolutely superb. And just been out on the bike now. I don't know if you can. Just had a good razz round the Herefordshire back lanes. I don't know if you'll be able to see the carb. Oh, probably not. But it's in there. Woo Star, 29 quid from Amazon. Absolutely superb. Kicked him over. First time, bang, away he went. And I forgot to say, I also changed the gear lever from the standard Lifan one to this one. Again, thank you, Justin. He sent me a link to this. It just sticks out a bit proud there, better than the other one. This is what it looks like compared to the original Lifan. So as you can see, slight difference. But yeah, it's much nicer, and you get a good feel on the new one. So there you go. That's it. That's all of all the new stuff, new carb, new gear lever, and it's all good, man. Repaired stays. So there we go. Filthy out on the lanes, as you're going to see in a minute. So I've just washed him, got him clean and sparkly again, ready for the next time. So there you go. Right, going out for a cruise with Justin on his bike, just out for a couple of hours. Right, we're off. Carb was overrunning for some reason. When I put him on the other day, he was perfect. So beautiful day, warm, potential rain. Churchill Gardens there, that's where all the students go and smoke cannabis. From the sixth form college, which is ahead of us. The new gearing feels nice, very torquey. Very torquey, really nice. I think it's the same gearing that Justin's got as well, the 1736. Oh. Just need to adjust the tick over when we get to where we're going. There is the pub, the Cock of Tupsley. So we're heading over the Lug Flats now, where the river lug goes through the valley, and this is the flats of the valley, and it's flooded. Close my visor. Coming into Lugwardine now, Lugwardine, over the River Lug Bridge. Turning off at Checkley. Unsuitable for mopeds. Extreme flood traverse. Extreme awesome. Right, we're going to head into Mordiford now. Are we good? We are good. That's looking back towards Hereford over there. We've got Dindor Hill, Aikenbury Hill, both Iron Age hill forts. This is Mordiford now, home of the Mordiford dragon legend, where a young girl, I think, gave birth to a dragon. I'm guessing back when it happened, it was a severely deformed human, which I shouldn't laugh at because that's not nice. Okay. Road closed. What is going on there then? Heading up to Hoff Woods now. Right, Justin's put his GoPro on the back, so I'll stay close and get some footage of me riding the plucky bomber. Oh, here we go. Sort the tick over out now. Aboard More Common now, heading on to Woolhope. I'm liking the new gear lever, much more comfortable and easy to shift, unlike the Lifan one. Alright, this is dropping into Woolhope now. Alright, Sainsbury's, how's it going then? You got my chips? We're going to turn right, start heading up for Foundhope. Oh, Mr. Bloody fucking Volvo ride. The nice pub to my left, the Crown. Do really nice food. Yeah, this road run now, this is part of my, I think it's like my 29-miler local ride from Jackie's, which goes over Hoffwood and stuff. I'd be coming down here, which is a very good ride if you've never done it. Bloody hell, it's boggy and horrible, these roads. I think that's where, is that where I come out when I do my ride? I think I come out there. Yes, I do, I come out there. We're in little hamlet of Brockhampton now. There's not a great deal here. You get some nice viewage of the Vale of Herefordshire. I don't think there is one. Right, Brockhampton Court, care home. Heading down into Horwithy now. I think we're going to go somewhere for a cup of coffee. Cross over the River Wye on the Horwithy Bridge. That's going down to Ross on Wye, Monmouth and all that good stuff. That's heading up to Hereford. So this is Horwithy. There's a pub just down here called I think it's the New Harp Inn. Played a few gigs there back in the band days. Yeah, the New Harp, there it is. A couple of gigs in there and got a nice stay. Oh, this is where we're coming for a brew. Switches off, petrol on. Right, we've had a coffee. We're leaving the new Harp Inn. Okay. Sun's out, guns out. These bikes are bloody brill. Got the River Wye to the right, in a bit of a minor flood state. All the water coming down from Wales, Leicestershire. Cottage of Content, that's supposed to be a nice restaurant, that. Big waiting list apparently. So we've just gone through Ballingham, going under the old railway bridge now. Bloody hell, spray. I've got me fly swatter. I think this is us coming into Home Lacey now. They're fancy little houses. All clear. On the Home Lacey Road, heading back to Erie Forest. Right then, just got the memory card from Justin's GoPro 360. We'll see what happens with the footage. When we get into Hereford, Justin's going to peel off and go home, and I'm going to head off through town back to Jackie's. So we're heading to Rotherwas now. Justin. I'll see you again, Just. Right, away we go. Go back to Jackie's and we'll look about getting some shavings for the fucking Harrises. Let's get over the new bridge. 30 miles an hour. There's the old big church of Hereford. River Wye. Old bridge. Hereford Football Club, oi oi! Non-league club. Are they non-league? I don't know, I don't follow footy. Right then folks, thanks for watching. You know the drill, like, subscribe, share the love, and I am not going to put any music to the motorbike videos anymore because people like the sound of the bikes. So I will bow to the comments. No cool music. Right then, you know the drill, like I said, like, subscribe, share the love. Until the next random content, which is going to be, I do not know. Could be this stuff, or it could be that stuff. Who knows? Anyway, in a bit, peeps.